Hello everyone, I am Alan, the foreign trade salesman of GSB Hold Group. Today, I will take 2 minutes to introduce you in detail the manufacturing process of our pressurized solar water heater in a tank. Our process has 7 key steps. 1. Uncoiling line first. Uncoil and level the steel coil to ensure that the material is flat and without deformation. 2. CNC punching. Then use CNC punching technology to accurately form the hole position to ensure the accuracy and quality of the hole position. 3. Rolling machine forming. Then roll the steel plate into a standard cylindrical tank body. Strength and speed of rolling to ensure the roundness and wall thickness uniformity of the tank body. 4. Straight seam welding. Use advanced automatic welding technology to complete the longitudinal main body weld to ensure the firmness and sealing of the weld. 5. Pipe mouth welding. Precisely weld the pipe joints and accessory holes to ensure the sealing and reliability of the interface. 6. Circumferential seam welding. Seal the welding end cover and the cylinder to ensure the sealing of the connection and avoid leakage problems. 7. Leak test. Finally, each inner tank is tested for high pressure air tightness to ensure that the product meets high quality standards. Before leaving the factory, we GSB Hold Group always adheres to the concept of quality first, customer first, from raw material procurement to production and testing. Every link is strictly controlled, and we are committed to providing high quality solar water heater products to customers around the world. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my introduction. If you are interested in our products or have any questions, please feel free to contact me.